In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and remove apps from spaces in ClickUp. So as you can see here, I have different apps set on my ClickUp space, and I can basically add and remove apps. So to do that, you want to click account on the upper right hand side and click in settings. Under the settings, look on the left hand side in your file spaces, click on spaces here. Now, once you're on the space, just go ahead and click on click apps, and here you can find different apps. So here you can simply add, remove apps. Once it is grayed out, you can see that it's not selected, and you can click on any app to let's say add them. If you want to add, you just click on them, or if you want to add all of them, just turn on this button to add all the apps. And as you can see, I can add various apps. Any application that you can't enable, it could be that you're on a different plan and the plan that you want to add that app from is not available and you need to upgrade. So basically that's what it actually means. So if you're scrolling through and you see an app that you can't enable, it could be that you need to upgrade your to a different plan to get that. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and add and remove apps on a space and ClickUp.